The future of warfare is here. AI is transforming military operations, presenting both opportunities and challenges. Opportunities. AI enhances military strategy and decision-making. AI-powered surveillance and reconnaissance provide real-time battlefield intelligence. Challenges. However, AI in military operations also raises ethical concerns. Ensuring accountability and transparency in AI decision-making is crucial. The effective integration of AI in military operations requires addressing these challenges. How AI is enhancing military logistics and supply chain management. AI is revolutionizing military logistics and supply chain management. Predictive maintenance. AI-powered predictive maintenance reduces equipment downtime. AI optimizes supply chain routes and schedules. Demand forecasting. AI-powered demand forecasting ensures timely supply delivery. AI enhances military logistics efficiency and effectiveness. AI is transforming military logistics and supply chain management. The role of AI in cyber warfare and defense.